couple of weeks ago, I posted a video story of a gentleman who collided with a channel marker in the middle of the Ohio River. Luckily, there were no injuries or deaths, only a hole in the boat. Today, I want to provide some statistics, food for thought, and in the end, I want to ask the question, what can we do or you do to change and not become one of these statistics? This is a lot to digest. You can find this on the internet. I just Googled it today, as a matter of fact. So here we go. Number one contributor to accidents, this is nationwide data, by the way, is operator inattention. Number two contributor to boating accidents is improper lookout. I discussed both of these when we talked about the boater who ran into the channel marker. Top five, again nationally, types of accidents. Number one, collision with another recreational boat. Number two, collision with a fixed object, just like this gentleman did, running into a channel marker. Number three, flooding and swamping. Number four, grounding. We've seen this on the Ohio River, flooding, swamping, and grounding. And number five, falling overboard. Let's talk about that for a second. These five, by the way, are all accidents that lead to injury and death. Falling overboard is the number one cause of death via drowning. And the biggest contributor to that is not wearing a life jacket. The three biggest types of boats involved in accidents leading to injury and death. Number one is an open motorboat. That shouldn't be any surprise to anybody. And number two shouldn't be a surprise either. It's a personal watercraft, jet skis and such. And number three, this might be a surprise, three biggest type of boat involved in accidents is a cabin motorboat, cabin cruiser. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Andy, boating is so much more safer than driving a car. Well, not so fast. In the state of Ohio, deaths per 100,000 drivers is 9. 9 deaths per 100,000 drivers. In the state of Ohio, again, deaths 15 per 100,000 boaters. Boating is almost twice as dangerous as driving a car. Again, I encourage active discussion, and I ask you, what can you do to not become one of these statistics? Thanks.